Hey, what's going on? It's Witty Pixel here. And in today's video, I got something really cool for y'all. Has to do with my PS5, and as you can see over here, I got a charging station, I got a controller, and in this big black box, I have faceplates. And they're all black, and I'm gonna theme my PS5 today. So hang out, chill out, stay and enjoy the video. What do you think? Look at this. All black. It's not matte black. Actually, you know what? I forgot which one I ordered, but it looks so good. It looks so slick. All the black on this, it just matches perfectly. So I just want to say again, I got the link in the description for everything that I bought today, and I highly recommend it if you like matte black. They do have a few other colors out there in the wild on Amazon. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe if you like this content. I got some other PS5 videos and some more content coming. Hit the thumbs up if you actually enjoyed the video. And thanks again. I will see you in the next one. Peace.